Welcome to Interlakes Campground. We're here for 2 nights and 3 days. Back to basics, guys.
First day.
The challenge is the instant setup tent in about 60 seconds.
What's that?
Huh?
Bulalo? Bulalo? Ay!
Okay.
Nag-vacuum si Madam. Say hi, Madam. Hi, Madam.
Hi! Ito po guys ang
Trabaho.
buhay sa
Yan work.
bukid. Ba-vacuum tayo. Sana sa mga abo.
Uy, kainit.
Ngayong gabi eh.
Where's your mask, Day?
Oh, sorry ma'am, i-drop ko lang yung package niyo.
Pastilan po na nga taga-Amazon eh.
Amazon delivery! Ito po na! Oh my God! Unboxing! Tita, oh. Kani, thank you sa referral program sa work. Kani, sa pag-dye o pag-babysit. Tapos kani, sa pag-order sa Amazon.
Bigyan ng blanket yan!
Bakit na yan?
Cart sa mini.
What do you call this? What do you have in your cart? Water. Wala man Coke. Why? Why there's no water coming out?
Why do you know what's Red Horse?
Is that a drink?
Good morning.
Hey, Peppa, say good morning. Say good morning, Peppa.
Good morning. Is this cold in November? Oh, Hi, good morning. We have another one. This is, what's your name?
Peppa.
She's Summer.
Say bye-bye.
Let me just wash.
Okay, I can say. What's that, Samimi? You're doing the muddy paddle thing. Just like who?
How are you?
Just like Peppa. Sammy! Samimi! Samimi! Samimi, look at the camera.
Hi!
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Here. Oh, sorry.
You're gonna burn my clothes!
It's okay. Alright.
Hey, oh, that's Sunny.
Can I have another one?
Oh, Sunny.
Can I have another one? Sa'yo, kuya. Go.
Lucky.
Saan na ganyan? Nagsikat na yung oligo ba?
Oh, so karon magstoryahan ay taog aswang-aswang.
Hala.
The next day.
Kastila, mag-land na sa Cebu.
Oh, 3 whirlpools.
In the role,
Wait, I can make a whirlpool.
in the role play,
Left.
1,
Right.
2, 3, 4,
Right.
5, 6.
Backwards.
Oh, tama na, balik na. Kaya na.
Okay na, kapoy na.
Niud pa na ta.
the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Dream. 'Cause I'm dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow. I'll be holding you tight.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Mom. You're entering the border of Canada. Do
Uh-huh.
you have your passports with
Can I see your driver's license, please?
We're not driving.
Driver's license?
Oh my God.
Oh my
Ticket,
God.
ticket.
Oh my God.
No, driving is not allowed here. You don't have a driver's license.
Hi, fans. We're chilling. Ice cream, chilling, chilling. Ice cream, chilling. Chilling, chilling, chilling. Ice cream. Yay. On my right, it's a mountain. On my left, mountain too. Around me, body of water called lake. It's the sun and clouds. Lots of trees.
Who are you? Let me see. I can't know you because I know the walls. No, 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 no.
The next day.
This is the upper lake, the opposite side of the lower lake, and we're done with our camping. This is our last day of camping. Before going home, we'll have our lunch here. Really good. There are the kids.